Hey everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to add a trend line in Google Sheets to visualize growth or patterns in your data. Perfect for sales tracking, performance reports, or forecasting. Here is our sample data. Now let's create a chart. Highlight your data. Click Insert, Chart. In the chart editor, make sure the chart type is line chart or scatter chart. Now we have this, we now need to add the trend line. In the chart editor, click the Customize tab. Expand series. Scroll down and check trend line. Done. You'll now see a straight trend line showing the overall direction. Optional. Change trend line type. Under trend line options, you can choose linear, most common, exponential, polynomial, moving average. For simple growth tracking, use linear. Bonus, show the equation. To display the formula on the chart. Under Trendline options, set label Use equation. Now you'll see something like this. This is useful for forecasting. Important. If you don't see the Trendline option, make sure your chart type is line or scatter. Some chart types don't support trend lines. When to use trend lines. Show overall growth. Identify downward trends. Forecast future performance. Make reports look more professional. That's it. Add a trend line in seconds in Google Sheets. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more sheet tips.